राकेश कुमार तिवारी। My Lord, your Lordship were pleased to find enough in dismissing my writ appeal on the ground of K.C. Ninan's judgment. With due respect, my Lord, I have uploaded the K.C. Ninan's judgment in the reference tabs at serial number 1, my Lord. My Lord, may please to come to page 38, para 56. जी मैम, para 56, my Lord. Thus, it is always the consumer who is supplied electricity and is held liable for defaulting on payment of dues or charges for supply of electricity. Perforce, the premises cannot be held to be defaulter and no dues can be attached to the premises of the consumer. So long as property continues in the name of नहीं ये that is different in my Lord. In this case, K.C. Ninan's judgment के बाद next जी, I am not the subsequent owner, my Lord. In my case, I am not the subsequent owner. I am original owner, actual owner, my Lord. The properties were rent out to some other person, my Lord. Therefore, this judgment is not applicable. And this judgment, another bench referred the matter to the CGI for constituting a fresh. Another bench, I have uploaded at serial number 2, my Lord, to reconsider the K.C. Ninan's judgment, my Lord. Your tenant has defaulted. Yes, ma'am. They can very well recover, my Lord. नहीं, वो तो छोड़ के my Lord, he has left the premises, my Lord. नहीं, वो रिकवरी उनकी है सर. I approached the electricity department for a fresh connection. They said that 95,000 is due to this premises. That K.C. Ninan's judgment says premises is not a consumer. It is a person-centric, my Lord. नहीं, वो लेकिन हमने इसकी कंसेंट नहीं दी थी कि वो डिफॉल्ट करेगा तो मैं पे करूंगा. नहीं, ये जजमेंट ये कहता है सर कि वो प्रीमाइसेस नहीं कंज्यूमर होता है, ओनर या ऑक्यूपायर कंज्यूमर होता है. यस, and ये number 2 पे है. K.C. Ninan's judgment was required to be reconsidered and it was directed requested to Hon'Ble CGI to constitute a fresh bench for consideration of K.C. Ninan's judgment at serial number 2, man. जी मेलो और क्या वो क्या कहता है? नहीं, एक्ट कहता है कि आप 2 साल कर सकते हैं. 56 में कहता है, 56(2) says, my Lord, section 56 of Electricity Act says ये 56(2) मैं पढ़ देता हूँ. Notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force, no sum due from the consumer under this section shall be recoverable after period of 2 years, my lord. 2 साल के बाद आप नहीं कर सकते हैं. जी, pardon, my lord.
Red Court has considered all your.
Red Court has considered, my lord. It has the learned single judge was pleased to modify the order passed by the Electricity Consumer Grievance Judicial and directed to deposit 50,000 rupees and directed them to grant a new connection, my lord. I have deposited sum of rupees 50,000. Thereafter, they are not giving me the new connection, my lord.
Oh, that is a separate further.
My lord.
Yes. If the consumer system of the agreement is good in his name or in the name of the firm or company with which he was associate earlier as a partner, director, managing director, occupier, and public or owner. ये owner है.
नहीं, ओनर के नाम पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कनेक्शन नहीं है मैडम.
इनके एग्रीमेंट के आधार पर कनेक्शन दिया गया है. ओनर ऑफ द परमाइसेस फॉर्मल नोटिस बना लो टेनेंसी का, कनेक्शन ले लो, डिफॉल्ट कर दो, तो बोले कि हमको
नहीं, दैट वाज मिस्टर महावर समबडी एल्स, माय लॉर्ड. ये रोल तो कंबाइन से that clause was 4.17, which my learned friend read. My lord, it is the consumer who is the owner of the premise. 4.17 says, my lord. Consumer just paid it.
Commissioner has filed a preliminary regional fraud of it. So into their other separate appeal was by the court by placing reliance on merit as well as on judgment passed by the apex court in case of facing the learned counsel for the petition submitted, the said judgment has been is under consideration for reference to a larger case on a request made by the apex court in case of cases Kendra versus Haryana Electricity 2023, 8 SPC 390. Certain law that unless the judgment is overruled in a reference, the judgment holds the appeal. Even otherwise, the petitioner gave its premises on the payment committed as default in payment of the rent. The petitioner has the liberty to recover that default amount which he is liable to pay the electricity company to get a new connection in his home. The petitioner cannot escape from his liability to pay as on the ground that tenant committed default. The petitioner gave unless the owner gives a consent, the connection cannot be provided. Electricity connection cannot be provided to your home. Therefore, liability clear. The report has also considered the provisions of 4.71 of the electricity supply code, which makes mandatory the owner to clear the outstanding dues and then apply for the notice for review.
Number 6.
Lordship, this is a fresh case for notice. In this, Raj